In this video, I'm gonna show you how that you can land high ticket commercial cleaning clients consistently while charging the most and never losing to your competition. I'm about to share that. But first, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike Mack from AutomatedCleaningBusiness.com, and I help everyday people build high-ticket automated cleaning businesses without doing the cleaning themselves. Also the author of the Amazon bestseller, Pick Up Cash, Not Trash. If you want a copy, it's free. Just cover the shipping. Do that below. Now that all of that's out of the way, let's get into the video. Okay, I feel like unintentionally I started a little bit of a craze in this industry, at least in my circles, and it's about people wanting to make the switch to high ticket. Or people new to this, they're coming into this game and they're like, I want to start a cleaning business, but it's got to be high ticket, okay? But now sometimes it causes a little bit of confusion. Just so you know, a high ticket cleaning company is a company that focuses and specializes in servicing offices that are priced anywhere from 5 to 10K per month, recurring, right? The reason why we don't want smaller than that, because we find out that over time the juice isn't so much worth the squeeze, and then we don't want over that because then you're putting too much cleaners there and then you kind of lose the leverage. You know what I mean? This is a sweet spot where you're gonna have clients for years and years and years to come, okay? But how do we get those clients? How do we get them consistently? And if we're going to be charging more, how do we make sure we're not losing to the competition? I'm about to show you that right now. Let's get to it. The first essential here is attract. Okay, now attract means we have to be very particular about our clients, okay? We want to deal with the type of people that are going to be more pain focused than budget focused, okay? Because if they're budget focused, then there's no real way you're gonna be able to be high ticket, because even if you do find those larger accounts, if they are too budget focused, it's just not gonna work out. You're not gonna be able to get what you're truly worth, okay? So when we have an attraction mindset to getting our clients versus steamrolling and just trying to cold call everyone, cold email everyone, I'll take whoever I can get, that may feel in the short term like the smarter decision because most people do it, but I'm telling you right now, if you're not picky about who your clients are, it's impossible to be high ticket and it's more impossible to automate, right? And at the end of the day, we want that high ticket company, but part of that being high ticket is actually automating the process so you can actually get free time so you're not stuck in your business, okay? So if you are picking your clients and you're very particular about the clients that you work with, you're going to get the right people on board and they're going to have pain. And then when you offer the price, not price gouging, but a fair price so you can take care of your cleaners, you can take care of your customers, and you could also take care of yourself and your family. The only way we're going to do that is by working with the right people. So you must be very particular on who you work with. Start a list, okay? Create a list and audit it. Be very sure about who you want to work with, or this is not going to work, okay? If you do that, you are only going to bring in the right people, okay? If you are thinking like everyone else, where it's just like, I'll just take anyone who will have me, you're kind of asking for trouble. It's not to say it's impossible that won't work. Chances are it won't be high ticket, you're not gonna be able to automate. All right, so let's get to the next thing. But before we do, why haven't you hit that thumbs up button? I mean, it's like right there, just do it. I mean, who cares? Hit that thumbs up button. Let's get to the next one. The next thing you must do here to get those high ticket clients consistently and win these bids when you actually put your bid in is make your cleaning company an authority on cleaning, right? Now, you're probably like, wait, what do you mean? What I mean is there are ways you can set your company up to where people, when they talk to you or they engage with your marketing or they call your office or even your home office, whatever, they're going to interact in a way with it like you're an expert, like you're someone worth respecting. I could see why you charge more than other people. That's the biggest reason why we're able to charge our high ticket prices, because we're worth it, okay? Because we didn't just say, we're not just a company that found some black garbage bags and we found some old dirty t-shirts and we cut them up and we're like, hey, I have Windex, now we're a cleaning business. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with that if you're starting off, but I'm saying if your ambition is to have a side hustle, then that's good enough. This probably isn't the channel for you. I'm being honest with you. This channel and this content is for people who are like, I want to start a legit high ticket cleaning business. I want to automate this thing. I want to be a CEO. I don't want to be a professional cleaner, right? Doesn't mean I don't clean a glass in the beginning if I needed to. In a pinch, doesn't mean I'm too good for it. It just means I'm the CEO, so I'm gonna keep that CEO mindset. This is for you. I'm talking to you in particular. If that rings true to you and that matters to you, you're going to need to put your focus early on making your company the authority. And the way we do that is, it's just everything from our branding and our marketing. One way we don't do it is by desperation. By desperation, I mean doing desperate tactics of cold calling and cold email. Please work with me. Let's do it. Like, how much does the contract need to be so where you do the deal with me today? Look, I'm saying for this service, that's not authoritative. Why? Just think about it. Does an expert come to your house and they beg you for service? No, of course not. Why? Because they're the expert. They don't need to. They have other clients. So if you have other clients, chances are, and they're good clients, you're a good service company. So by that rationale, I'm thinking you have other high ticket clients. You must, because you're attracting me. I'm high ticket. So then they're going to be drawn to you. You see how that works? They're not going to be drawn to you if you're coming across desperate, okay? Avoid that desperation and constantly position your company in a way as if you are already killing it. Even if you're just starting out, even if you're inexperienced, position your company as if you had 36 high ticket clients and your company was billing like $175K a month. Just pull that out there, because at that number, you got to think you wouldn't have any desperation. Okay, so that's going to be massive. Let's get into the next one. Before we do, have you subscribed yet? It's right there. I mean, I can't reach. Anyway, let's get to the next one. The next key to this lock, so to speak, is being the only one they called. What? Is that a thing? Yes, it's a thing. What if I told you you didn't actually have to bid against other people? Does that mean ever? No, I'm not saying ever, but it's just by and large. How do you get it to where you're the only one bidding? Yeah, that's a thing. I'm gonna show you how to do that. The reason why I'm against, I'll get comments all the time like, Mike, what do you think about Yelp? Oh, what do you think about Bark? What do you think about this? Should I do this? Look, I'm not saying there's anything inherently wrong with any of those things. I wouldn't do it. Why? Because then I lose the ability to pick my clients. It's the same reason why I don't run Facebook ads. I want to pick my clients. If I'm running Facebook ads, I'm pouring money into the Facebook machine. Or if I'm running Google ads, I'm pouring all my money into the Google machine. I'm not able to select my clients. I'm paying for just a big net to be cast out, and the most eager people to call me are the people who are probably doing what? They're probably, you can hear that? Yeah, those are the people looking to get bids from a bunch of companies. What happens is somebody tasks them at their company, like, hey, go call a few cleaning companies and set up a few walkthroughs. Let's get some bids in here, right? That's leverage to them. How do you do it to where you're the only one doing it? The way you do that is, it's what my rich niche is famous for. You have to be consistent, you have to create omnipresence, and you have to just speak a message. There's something different about you. You speak to their pain, you understand them, and the way you position yourself is like you have 100 clients. You don't need them. It sounds crazy, it sounds wild, but it's true. It's just something that's attainable for you, okay? And if you do that, one of the most common things you're going to hear is a moment of honesty on the phone before you're setting up that walkthrough. You're the only person I called. Yes, that is a cheat code to actually get these high ticket clients consistently. Why in the world does that happen? You know why? Because you've built trust. You are giving off trustworthy energy. You're giving off like actually likable energy between your brand and your person, your professionalism. They're at a point where the pain is great. You just come across like you're the only, like right now, just let's talk, let's get you in person, because if you seem like the right fit, let's do this. That's how it works. And that's the only way. You have to do these three things in order to keep it consistent. If you want to keep going further and further with your cleaning business, you're gonna need to subscribe. And again, need I remind you, it's right there. Guys, this is it for this video. If you want help with your cleaning service, you want to get there a lot faster, right? You're just like, hey, I want to avoid mistakes. How do I get there even faster, Mike? Your videos are once a week. That's not enough. Hit the first link under this video. Got you covered. Also, go grab that free book, Just Cover the Shipping. That's also under this video. Check out that video. For everyone else, peace out, Cub Scouts.